juga sampun menyumbangkan suara emasnya. Dan kali ini trio dari putra asli dari Kelurahan Kepatihan, cucu dari Eyang Suko Reno, ngaten nggih. Yang pasti di kesempatan malam putra asli dari Kelurahan Kepatihan, cucunipun Bopo Sukorno. Trio, halo. Mic-nya 3. Mic-nya 3, Bro. Cilo.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you one by one, over, sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or says we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dancing place I never knew. But now I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
Nggak apa-apa. Terus.
Then now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling, chosen endless diamond sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. A whole new world, with new horizon to pursue. I just am anywhere, there's time to spare. Let me share